Y'all, look at my garden. So this is the last of the cabbage. It's teetering out, and good thing because this, I can't remember if this is zucchini or cucumbers, but this joint is taking over. It is taking over. See the little green, I think those are cucumbers, really. Yes, those are cucumbers. And then the tomatoes are coming up really good. It's a lot going on in here. A lot. Yes, those cucumbers are taking over. And then the beets look like they're almost ready to... The basil's done well. Look at my corn! Oh my God, I'm so excited about this corn. I got 3 big stalks. Yay! And that one doesn't have any yet, but it's coming. Strawberries are doing good. But look at these beets, y'all. I think these beets are almost ready. And then I'm gonna have to move these blueberries because they say they take like 2 years to grow, and you can't leave it out here over the winter. And same with the grapes. So, anywho, and then look at the squash. The squash is going crazy. It's going crazy. It's crazy, and the weeds are going crazy too. So, watering system, filling it up. My friend's mom was out here earlier and was kind enough to fill it halfway up, so it's not going to take me as long. But this is my drip system, which means I don't have to come out here and water every day because this takes care of watering everything with the solar panels. So, try to... Ooh, look, there's some tomatoes in there. Exciting. Y'all, I just love this. I've been eating this, my kale. It is so fresh. It's so fresh. If you don't have a garden, you need to get one started. I'm telling you. It is the way of the future because, you know, no fear mongering, but it's always good to have food that you can grow in your own house in case stuff in the grocery store either isn't good to buy anymore or you just want some fresh stuff in your own garden. So let me take these berries off of here. I'm so excited about my beets. Oh, look, there's more strawberries in here. Oh my gosh. These don't get really big, but they're good. So, and then this is the last of my kale. I'm gonna take that home today. But I'm so excited about the corn. And those cucumbers are taking over. They are not, it is not a game. Not a game. All right, y'all. Ciao, ciao now.